See, I have the idea if I finish my juice.
All right, I'll give you 2 minutes. Go outside and finish your juice and come back.
Let's see if it works.
All right, while he's juice up, okay? Anybody has any idea about this arrow? Other than me?
Can you just magnify it a little bit more? Sorry.
Sure. I can do probably 200%, 250. Yeah. For the arrow. You said it is pin number 1. Okay. Anybody else? Imagine you are the person who is designing this. You want to make the board as easy as possible for the user to use. So if you have a connector, what would you mark on the connector? What's the most important thing that's on the connector?
Plus, minus, logic plus, logic minus.
Okay, logic plus, logic minus. Anybody else? But remember, you don't have a lot of room in this thing. You cannot say, I'm going to put all the information around it. Fine, connect it this small, and then all the labels are this big. It doesn't fit. So you have to figure out a way to say, yeah, I can give the most important information, the least possible area. Then you say, well, what is the most important information in this case?
Where the output is, the output pin exactly?
Usually, for a complicated digital system, there are many inputs and many outputs. It's very hard to define this is the output.
Well, the output pin for JTAG in specific, like the actual pin.
Well, I mean, it does say JTAG out.
Yeah, it says JTAG out. Yeah. One side says JTAG in, one side is JTAG. So you know one is coming in, one is going out.
But there's still like many pins within that.
All the juice that he has consumed was still here, right? What does that arrow mean?
Pin 0.
Pin 0. He said pin 0. He said pin 1. So which one is correct? They're both wrong.
Probably pin 1.
Pin 1. How come it's not pin 0?
Why is it not pin 0?
Yes. Okay, you said probably pin 1. Okay, pin 1. Why is not pin 0?
Well, I remember looking at the board and seeing pin
Yeah,
1
I
over
saw
there.
pin 1.
That's why.
Please respect your classroom. While he's talking, please be quiet.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Sorry.
Well, I mean, I just remember pin. I remember like a 1 being over there.
Remember, there's a 1 mark over there.
Yeah.
No problem. Google is very powerful. It's found an image of that 1. Okay. This is pretty good. Can you see a special connector there?
Yeah, the arrow.
Yeah.
Arrow?
I see that.
And what does it say right next to the, let me see if I can.
Let's see.
Does it have any special label around it besides
Yeah,
the
it's
arrow?
1 right next to
That's
it.
right.
Yeah, 1 over
This
there.
arrow means pin number 1. Okay. So it tells you this is the beginning of all the pins. So this is 1, where is number 2?
Underneath it? Below it?
Okay, across. It's 1, 2, and then there'll be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So going back to the table, you know where 1 is, you know where 2 is.
So it's pin 1.
These are the grounds that we have. Okay? This is the easiest one because the connector is only made for you. You have when you just plug the wire. This is what you got. Understand? It's not pin number 58, pin number 61 or 60. It's not. This is the ground. The more current boards, usually they have a designated connector for the ground, or at least they give you a hole that you can solder something down inside the ground. Okay, and it's a label, it says GND ground. Okay? So that in case you make external connections, you can't use that. Okay, any questions? So make sure that you know this time, this is the ground. Little elements, this is the ground. Okay? Alright, let's go.
Wait, so it's supposed to be one of those pins?
So it's yeah, because
Yeah,
that's,
that's
it
what-
was one
that's-
of those pins, but we just didn't know exactly
Like
which
it's
one.
literally over here.
Wouldn't it be
Professor.
one that says
Yes.
JTAG out?
So on
No,
the way I
that's
had
in.
that
Yeah, but in the
connected
what
was
he's
to the
talking
ground
about.
on the chip,
Yeah, but like.
Yeah.
on the processor.
On the chip,
Table
there are many grounds.
Oh,
Okay.
and-
However, those grounds,
And.
you cannot make connection to them. They're the grounds. How do you make connection to them? They're not connected to any connections that you can make. They are already internally connected to the ground.
Well, that's why I figured that was the best way to go. If I
No,
could.
but you cannot make connections to the ground. The ground connections are here, listed in this table.
Which is right there. Out is over here.
Yeah.
So it literally was supposed to be like these.
The ground connections that you find in the software, they are for the device, they're not for the board. It's like,
But still.
look at this TV. This TV has many ground connections internal. Can you touch them? No. The ground is done through the power connector. Same thing. You cannot go to Samsung and find, oh, which chip did they use? Did they ground that chip? I'm pretty sure they did. So let's make connection to that. Sorry, you don't have access to that connection. The connection is done through the power cord. That's where you get a ground connection. Understand? So right now, many of you made a mistake is trying to connect to the grounds inside the TV where you don't have access to. Understand? So now I show you this is the right connection. Please use these. It's already made for you. There are many, two, there is a 10. These two are all connected to the ground. All right.
Yeah, that was the ground.
Stop playing with software, okay? It's not right. Right. So the next thing is, if you look at what you did, you look at the code, everybody should have exactly probably the same code. The idea is you need to have a counter internally counting, and it depends on the range, you output a 1 or a 0. You don't actually output the counter. The counter is internal. You only output a 1 or a 0, depends on the counter. Okay? And there's no reset in the circuit. There's a clock. There's no need to reset the clock. It's not necessary. Okay? Going in there, I will not give you less point. It's not necessary. It's a clock. It's free running. Continue. Right. So, any question about this? So today we'll go look at how to work on the next assignment. Assignment number 4. So you go to ULearn. Let's look at assignment number 4.